I'm Dave Arch. In this video I will be demonstrating some finger picking for you. There are lots of different patterns which can be adapted to suit your own style and ability, and I'm just going to demonstrate one of them. We'll be using our thumb, index finger, middle finger and ring finger. This is often described as PIMA or PIMA. Now, if you're wondering what that means, it's the Spanish acronym for thumb, index, middle and ring. And the translation is pulgar, indice, medio, annular. So now you know. Right, let's get started. If you're new to picking with your fingers, you will have to practice very slowly and gradually improve your technique. Try to keep your fingers as close to the strings as you possibly can and just make small movements. Now, to play this pattern we're just going to be using a D chord, and for anybody out there that doesn't know what a D chord is, it's first finger on the second fret of the G string or third string, second finger on the second fret of the first string, and third finger on the third fret of the second string. So just do that again. First finger, second fret, third string, second finger, second fret, first string, third finger, third fret, second string. Now with your right hand or your picking hand, your thumb will only be picking the open fourth string. Your index finger will only be picking the third string. Your middle finger will only be picking the second string, and your third finger will only be picking the first string. Now if you try and stick to that, you won't get tied up in knots. Okay, let's see a close-up of what the pattern actually is. Okay, so here's the pattern. We're going to play the fourth and the first string together. So remember, your thumb is on the fourth string and your ring finger is on the first string. So we're going to play those two strings together. Okay. Then with your index finger you pluck the third string. And then with your middle finger you pluck the second string. So far we've got. Okay, after that we then pluck the open fourth string again. So far we've got. Okay, after that we then pluck the first string with your ring finger, and then with your index finger you pluck the third string. So your pattern so far is even slower. Okay, now if you remember that you've got to use thumb on the fourth string, index finger on the third string, middle finger on the second string, and ring finger on the first string, excuse me, then your fingers won't get tied up in knots, but you have to do this really slowly. And remember, keep your fingers really close to the strings and make just small movements. Imagine, if you like, you're holding a little orange in your hand, so you can keep your hand in the shape. So here's the pattern. And then once you've got it, it sounds really good. Okay, now you've seen the pattern demonstrated, practice it, adapt it and make it your own, and then maybe try and shift the pattern to lower strings. So instead of using fourth, third, second and first string, use fifth, fourth, third and second string with a C chord or an A minor chord. Being able to pick with your fingers is a really useful technique for a guitarist, and it gives you lots of options when it comes to accompanying other people or writing your own material maybe. Remember, if you're new to it, practice it slowly and it will get better. Okay, bye for now, see you again soon.